Form 10IEA is a form introduced by the Central Board of Direct Taxes (CBDT) in India. It is used by taxpayers to exercise their right to choose between the old or new tax regime. This form is mandatory for individuals with income from business or profession who wish to opt out of the new tax regime and continue with the old tax regime. Here are some key details about Form 10IEA. Point number 1. Form 10IEA allows taxpayers to choose between the old or new tax regime. It is particularly relevant for those with income from business or profession. Point number 2. Taxpayers with income from business or profession who wish to opt out of the new tax regime and continue with the old tax regime. Point number 3. The form must be filed before the due date for filing the income tax return. Point number 4. The form can be filed online on the e-filing portal of the Income Tax Department. Point number 5. The form requires the taxpayer to provide details such as their name, PAN, assessment year, and their choice between the old or new tax regime. Point number 6. The form is valid for the assessment year for which it is filed. Point number 7. The form can be filed twice in a lifetime, once for opting out of the new tax regime and once for re-entering it. Point number 8. The new tax regime is now the default tax regime for taxpayers. Those who wish to opt for the old tax regime must file Form 10IEA. Point number 9. If a taxpayer forgets to file Form 10IEA before or during the filing of the ITR, they will not be able to choose the old tax regime. Point number 10. Form 10IEA replaces Form 10IE, which was used to opt into the new tax regime until financial year 2022-23. Remember, the new tax regime is now the default tax regime, and taxpayers with business income must file Form 10IEA to opt out of it.